her birthday in
Count
Westwalk.
What?
Yeah, Westwalk. You're a good boy, Luna. You're a good boy. Good boy. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy?
Starbucks.
Amado is sweet.
Yeah.
You know what, Yuyu?
What?
I gonna try to eat or something that Starbucks.
Why?
I don't know how to order.
We know. حبيبتي.
Ah.
You know, so the Janeiro, I got 14 spray from it.
Really?
Yeah, but the pink one.
What is the Starbucks? That is a coffee or something food?
Starbucks coffee, mga ano, juice, mga ano.
حبيبي بس خليني اشوف عينك. Come see his eye, Maren. We have some.
Ako
Adult.
Punta ako mag-order sa Berlin. No, you, when we go Starbucks.
Remember Kai, remember when we go Dunkin' Donuts?
Mag-order kami Dunkin' Donuts, tapos punta kami sa plaza ng Berlin. Sa Yuyo, I want to...
My favorite Dunkin' Donut. Then we go Legoland buy together. Every day we go together.
Ano kasi?
One of
malakad lang.
Berlin.
Tapos mag-play siya doon sa plaza. Alam niya yung plaza. Alam mo?
Ah,
You remember the plaza?
remember when I take my Araba with us, then we go plaza, then we do rolling in plaza.
Alam mo bang hindi plaza tawag sa kanila yun? Doon.
Sinabi ko sa plaza.
We have here, but Berlin Plaza is better. You know why?
Why?
We could walk. It's okay. Everything is near to our house. With us apartment, I mean, we go down from elevator. We walk. Remember me and Luna? We got stuck in elevator because
Yeah.
you push us inside the elevator.
So you don't come back there in the Germany?
No,
Why?
we go vacation. Okay. Why you ask? You want?
No. I don't want.
It's fun. Wallah, it's fun.
It's near in the mall, you saw.
Yeah.
It's near in the McDo. It's near everything.
Yeah.
To go shopping in H&M, you can Zara.
We don't need to call Labi or Suba. We just go walking.
Yeah.
It's okay.
No need to call lobby. And so bad.
Yeah. And Jim, you remember? You know Jim? I love him.
Kain mo na ako ng
I every time give
Kain
him-
kasi mag-gym kasi kami.
Not Jim, the one you go Jim to. Jim, my driver. Remember Zachariah?
Marami kasing dahil maniho din sa amin.
Remember Zachariah?
One time isang Pinoy, pero nakawas lang pumunta.
Zachariah.
Yeah.
I call him Za'atar.
Nakalimutan ko na. Yun ang first maneho. Dahil gusto niya kasi parang, ewan ko may gusto ata siya paano about sa sahod ata.
Look down.
Hindi Pinoy. Yung
Okay, look down. Look down, Minnie.
Mag-itsura siya dahil.
Who's walking there? No one. All our nannies are
They are playing. Your kitten, you're playing outside the plastic sa bala.
It's okay. They like to play.
Pero si
gusto
Kuno
nila
nag
yung dalawang kapatid kasi mabait.
Why you not eat? Eat more.
Hindi ka talaga.
Do you have a rice,
basta
Oh,
para
see,
kang
this is
VIP
getting big
din
on me.
dahil.
But
Consider
before
ka
you
ng
see it,
VIP
my
ka.
tummy. Now you don't see my tummy. Where's my tummy? Don't tummy. I don't have any.
Lahat sila
Huh?
ba
I don't
Yung mga
look.
manila.
Now you're so fatty.
I'm thin.
You become like me.
No,
The big tummy.
I do treadmill every day. You do no treadmill. You don't even do treadmill.
Let her do today.
Yeah. So she doesn't bully anymore.
You're the one who bully her pa.
Habibti, I'm telling her, do more exercise. It's healthy.
No more exercise is healthy.
Yeah, more exercise.
More exercise.
I don't say she's fat.
If I go up, give me band-aid, okay?
Okay. You know what I like about Luna?
Kayo yan? Ito, yan?
Oh,
Bigay mo ulit kasi pag may klase yan, mostly ano na ha? Hanap
siya
ka
man
ng
din
iba.
ang naghatag sa akin
You
dito.
give another because you use it every time you go school. Word po lang. Okay?
What?
This
Give
one like
another
this.
Hada. Not like that because you use that and every day when you go school.
Okay.
And the one who Hada make problems if where is your Hada? Where
I
is
put
your
in Luna. Can I tell you guys?
Pag maghanap siya mo,
Other-
saan na itong okay lang mga tali, mga ganito lang.
Why he doesn't have hair, Luna?
I don't know.
He has no
Why?
hair.
It's okay now. It's okay now because you know why I put like dress Hada so that you cannot leak and it will not become more. Now it's dry already. But it's okay. I will let him put first. If there's hair already, but then I will remove Malia Malabes. Someone put him like, I don't know if it's someone or ang ko in the car. Pero hindi ba tumutulong ang mga car ng iba, oy?
Meron. Tingnan mo yung dyan, oh. Dyan sa to ang ground. Na yung mga itom-itom nga, ano.
Siguro.
Baka doon sila sa ilalim. Kahit na kanang jeep tour ni Ali, magtulo din yan.
Akai, when we were in Berlin, always drama. I said, when I eat stop, I will die. When I
Sabi pa ko sa,
when I eat hand, I will die. When I eat ice,
You.
I will die.
Where you go? Where your mama go?
Huh? I don't know.
Go exercise?
no, dili na yun mag-exercise sa labas. Nagbili nga siya ng ganyan.
See. What is this? I have nice sock. I love it a lot.
You want what?
It's Arabic sock. I like it. It's really funny sock. It's
Hey, يسوم.
هيري حطي راسك على المخدة جوا قلبي ما في يدي لونه أبيض وقلبي سوى شو عجبني رده أنا من يلا خلنا نحصل
Finish you?
I said, I'll sing you my song in English, the one I said, حطي راسك على المخدة. But I'll say it. Put your head on the pillow. How my heart doesn't even care. It looks so white as the sky. It doesn't. It doesn't.
Hindi pa talaga ako nakatapos sa... Ay, nako, chincha.
يلا